Strong Mag 5.4 earthquake Ionian Sea, 23 kilometers northeast of Patras, Achaea, western Greece, on Wednesday, February 17, 2021 5:36 a.m. 6 hours ago. Significant magnitude 5.5 earthquake 26 kilometers northeast of Patras, Greece. A magnitude 5.5 earthquake near Patras, Achaea, western Greece, was reported only 6 minutes ago by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, considered one of the key international agencies that monitor seismic activity worldwide. The earthquake occurred at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the epicenter early morning on Wednesday, February 17, 2021 at 5:36 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake should have been widely felt by almost everyone in the area of the epicenter. It might have caused light to moderate damage. Moderate shaking probably occurred in Kostraki, Pop 910, located 7 kilometers from the epicenter, Novpaktos, Pop 13,400, 12 kilometers away, and Achaea, Pop 20,400, 19 kilometers away. In Patras, Pop 168,000, located 26 kilometers from the epicenter, and Agrinio, Pop 46,900, 55 kilometers away, the quake should have been felt as light shaking. Weak shaking might have been felt in Livadia, Pop 21,500, located 79 kilometers from the epicenter, Amaliata, Pop 16,800, 85 kilometers away, Pyrgos, Pop 22,400, 92 kilometers away, and Corinth, Pop 30,200, 99 kilometers away. Volcano Discovery will automatically update magnitude and depth if these change and follow up if other significant news about the quake become available. If you're in the area, please send us your experience through our reporting mechanism, either online or via our mobile app. This will help us provide more first-hand updates to anyone around the globe who wants to know more about this quake.